With BIGVU, add your business card at the end of all your videos. Here's the harsh truth. You won't generate many leads if you don't tell viewers what to do next. Without a call to action, you'll waste the opportunity to convert viewers into buyers. You want to move people through your buying process, not let connections fade away. So, here are a few ways to add call to action to your videos. Ask viewers to visit your website for more information in your video profile. Get more viewers on your mailing list with a subscribe link in your news update videos. In your neighborhood tours, invite viewers to call you and learn more about living and working in the area. Or ask viewers to call and book a viewing in a property listings video. And with BIGVU, you can even add your business card to your recordings. Make the next step clear and give the viewer a compelling reason to build that relationship.